Hey, hello people. Welcome to this channel. Well, I know what you are here for, so let's just start and jump to it by rolling in the intro. Okay, so first things first, I got some audio issues at the moment, which is because I'm recording this video at 2 o'clock. So basically, if I start shouting with full of my energy, it would end up getting me kicked out of my house. So let's not do that at any cost. And without any further delay, let's just jump to the phone. So let's start with first the basic things that are surely going to come or surely rumored to be there in the phone. So the first feature is it is said to be a dual SIM phone. It would come with a 3G, 4G, VoLTE, Wi-Fi connections. Alright, no more lame jokes, let's just jump into the video. The main part of the phone is its chipset. So this phone is powered by Snapdragon 690 octa-core chipset. This Qualcomm Snapdragon 690 chipset is a 5G chipset built on Samsung's 8 nanometer fabrication process, and it features 8 Cryo 560 CPU cores and an Adreno 619L GPU. The CPU cores are split into two main Cortex A77 cores running at the maximum of 2 GHz and 6 Cortex A55 companion cores running at the maximum of 1.7 GHz. So, and moving to the next thing that the phone has is that, as per the sources, this phone would only come in a single variant, which is 8GB and 128GB with 4300 mAh battery with fast charging. Well, there is no such mention about the wattage of the charger, so let's just don't think that the box would contain a 60-50 watt fast charger. Let's just keep that to the phone itself. When it will come, then we'll come to know. Now the rumor says that the phone is of 6.5 inches with a full HD plus resolution, that is 1080 into 2400 pixels, 90 Hz display. There is no such thing about like 120 Hz at this point. There are phones which will have 120 Hz and which will compete to this phone. Anyways, it would come with a punch hole display, 48 megapixel plus 16 megapixel plus 2 megapixel triple rear camera setup. It is said that 48 megapixel camera is the primary camera, and probably the other two cameras are for depth sensing and for micro shots and macro shots. And it would come with a 16 megapixel front camera. Of course, there is no expandable storage in this phone. I forgot to mention that earlier. Anyways, the most unexpected thing or the most unjustified thing is, like, at this point of time, some old phones are getting their Android 11 update, but still this phone is said to come up with Android 10. Anyways, that's not a very big issue. Probably they might have wanted to roll in the update later after the phone is released, and so they have just like left it now, or maybe the rumor could be wrong. Anyways, so if you have made to this part of the video, and if you have liked the effort that I did into this video, a sub to the channel would be incredible. And in case you liked it, then please motivate this sole proprietor to work more for your infos by hitting that like button. And now the leaked price, which is the most important thing or the most awaited thing in this video. So the leaked price of the phone is said to be 19,999 Indian rupees, which is 274 US dollars. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, I said what you need to do, and that's it. Let's roll the outro. Bye bye.